viewers. I'm Ravi Shankar Rash, continuing with the series titled Friday Poems, which we have been uploading for the last 5 weeks. For 5 weeks, my poems were uh, uploaded. Now it is the turn of others, and we are introducing new poets from today, uh, the sixth day of the series. And the poet that we are introducing now is Nabina Das. Nabina Das resides in Hyderabad. She is a Bengali and she writes Indian English poems. She has three collections to her credit. Uh, First one was published in UK, The Blue Vessel, and the second one, The Migrant City, and the third one by Red River, Samskar Nama. She has also edited many anthologies of poems in India. Uh, she is a very well-known poet, and she does teaching as a profession of creative writing in English. The first poem we are introducing is Body Perennial by Nabina Das. Body Perennial. Now on to Nabina Das for the poem.
Hi, Nabina Das here. I'm going to read a poem called Body Perennial. It starts with a line from a poem by Emily Fragos. It goes like this: You explain death to the clothes like that dream. The body dies and then sadness becomes a ritual, even when life has been a long, unending road for many. We touch the plumb and fullness of the flesh. We whisper to the hands that loved the face, the uvula, then hear that this body is not coming back unless in dreams. But I offer you now, here, this is my body, take it and plant it with its neat folds, crisp desires, and smooth geographies of softness. Make it a tree you covet and nurture before the smile dies unwatered. Right now, in the eventide of matter's most lush, take its sap because this body of mine is spun to your form, another body. Let it be known how this body is milk, corn, fish heads, and leftovers, whispering how much you will miss it when the rains will fall and someone will talk of forest all green and dark as love. So wear this body like your innerwear, linen and lint unscrubbed, my body for you until love leaves, until the future generations see through my bodily lies and yet crave the truths, the toenails, the single dimple, the arch of a waist, also the fat cells of the lower belly which gave you warmth, just as words do, rhymes do, all words of love and quotidian. And still you will see my body hidden in the afternoon glow when death passes by, stiffening the fingers that sought you. Would this flesh become slumped or sit straddled across a chair, perhaps recline upright against the wall where we kissed? Nothing too damaging because this body will still churn the memory of 10,000 years. So gently, come gently to me and let's hold this body tenderly, heave it together across the spans of our life and solar nights. Let us lower it in our hearts, perennial, from where no one leaves.